channel. Today, I had to go get my eyes dilated. It's time to get those eyes checked in for the year, and my eyes are feeling really goofy right now. Glad I didn't get stopped on the way home because my eyes are, well, you know, looks like I've been partaking in some Mexican agriculture. Got a little time this afternoon. I need to change the air filters out on the Lambo. So trying to find the right air filter is kind of tough. Since I don't have a Lambo dealership here, I have to do everything online. I went ahead and just ordered K&N filters, and I'm going to install those today. Not a huge fan of K&N. I'm not one of the fanboys that puts a sticker on his car and claims that it gets 20% more horsepower. You know who I'm talking about. You see those guys. But I got these mainly because they are easy to maintain. I can clean them or reuse them, oil them, no more than I drive the car. It shouldn't matter. So we're going to flip the camera around here. We're going to take a look. All right. Already got this undone. So the air filters are underneath the looks like a barbecue grill here. No, just kidding. It's just a cover. Takes a couple of looks like flatheads to pop those out, and then you'll find the air box underneath here where the oilio is. So not a real tough job. It's super easy. This is the 5.2 liter V10. I don't know if a lot of you guys have seen the engine bay on one of these, but this particular model, this is a 2013, so some people opt to remove the grills around here just to where they have a little easier access. If they don't want to take all the stuff apart, you've got a lot of lines and things that are covered. This just makes for a little cleaner look, so I don't plan on taking them off unless I have to install something or fix something. So we're going to pull this apart and pop the boxes open and put those filters in. All right. It's the first time I've had these off. Looks like they just kind of unscrew just to unloosen them. Nothing major. No big deal.
How you doing?
Good, you? Good.
Hey, we saw you in the neighborhood market one day.
Did you?
My son, my 14-year-old son, is that a Corvette? And I said, well, if it is, he's putting his groceries on top of the motor. And I told him, I said, you're not my son anymore.
Okay. Had to go visit with a neighbor. Always talking about cars. So we've got the cover off. We've got, looks like we've got some Torx bolts we got to pop those off with. So it's off to the toolbox for those, and we'll go from there. And it never fails when you need your drill to work. It doesn't. It's dead. So we're gonna have to do this the old-fashioned way, manually. Okay, it was definitely time to change the air filters. Looks like it it's sucked in some debris here from the inlets, which there is your inlet for the top of the car there, and it comes in on both sides. So looks like we remove the sensor here and the sensor here and install the new filters, and we should be good to go. So a few more minutes, we'll be underway. All right, so the old ones and then the new ones. It looks like the K&N version. It already has the mounting for the sensor that goes in there. I'm sure it's some type of mass airflow sensor or something like that. The filter themselves on K&N's website, they have these things at like $289 or $269. I ended up finding these on eBay, brand new in the box. Somebody was asking $170 for them. I made an offer. They countered offered, and I think I ended up only paying like $160 for these. So it saved a little over $109. Come from Texas, so thanks to finding those on eBay, was able to save a little bit of money. So let me. Looks like we need to grab another Torx bolt. It looks like fitting. 2 more there, and looks like here's your oil sump. If you want to look a little bit more on the automobile, right here, this is your oil filter. Real simple to take off. You have the same filter for a Volkswagen Jetta. Really nice to use. And then of course, straight down, you can see that big silver bolt right there. That's where you would change the gearbox oil. That's the fill. So just got finished doing that last month. Super easy. Okay, got that off. I just had to disconnect the plug. What the shit is this? I do not have a tool that fits that. That has a raised middle. And your sensor inside of the old comes out and goes into the new. Damn Germans. Why couldn't you have made something easy? Okay, well, we gotta go get a tool to figure that out. So we'll be back. Okay, back with you guys after running to the parts store to find a Torx that fit that. And here's my kids. There's Mrs. Ginger, Ziggy. Where's Sadie at? Where's Sadie? Come say hi to everybody on YouTube, Sadie. Say hello, Sadie. All right. And then this another German piece of junk.
Hey.
Now Germany makes great cars. They're just over-engineered, like this one. Okay, so back here, we're just installing this new, or the old airflow sensor. And we'll take the other one apart. Okay, my apologies for the lighting. It started getting dark because I had to go get that part. Everything is installed. The only thing I have to do is go back and put the cover on the box. But air filters are installed. You can't see, I'm so sorry. The airflow sensors are back in. We're gonna put all this together, wrap it up. We're gonna hit the lights one more time because the LEDs help illuminate it back here. That's the best thing about this. You got these little nice LEDs back here that illuminate the engine bay. So I'm gonna put this on to get all together and install the grate, and we'll be all done. All right, sorry guys, ran out of time. I didn't pick the best time in the world to start this, I guess. It got dark quick. I wound up spending too much time talking to one of my neighbors, and I had to go get a piece to take the sensors out. So when I would drop one of those, and it's a black bit, and of course it's an abyss that's super dark, I can't see it. I have to find some better lighting and look for this in the daytime with a magnet, because there's no way. Anyway, hey, once again, thanks so much for watching this. If you like what you see, subscribe. Leave me some comments if you want to see certain things, you want to know about the car, you want to know this or that. Please don't hesitate. Send me a message. Be happy to answer. Thanks so much for watching. Have a good night. Take care.